Okay, just making a video to accompany my watch list on my website, zentradermachine.com. Not looking like I'll be entering any new positions today, so just going over the two that I have, which is IFAN, which you can see how it's been kind of slowly creeping its way up here, which gives the indication and or pattern of a pre-promo. How it's working, not sure. I've just noticed that it's been going. I've been watching for about 10 or 15 days. Shares became available, so I took shares at 61 and then added a little bit more at 58. So my average price right now is about 59. Based on the price action, I'm really going to be out somewhere in the mid 40s. Safe and easy profit. You know, it's had a couple of red days you see here and then come back up, so that gives the idea that there is support, you know, bid support from insiders, promoters, something like that. But there might be a drop and then you might get the whole, you know, get it at these great prices kind of thing, go out there. So when it has that drop, I always like to catch that first little drop. Makes me feel good, confidence, trade, you know, and it's, again, safe and easy profits. So I've got that, and I'm in also AUTR. I have shares at AUTR. This is a pump from a few days ago, last week, really. And you can see how it spiked up here on this day and then came down. You know, this was the day of the pump, the 30th. You know, came up and right back down. So I got shares when it came up here to 31. So I'm waiting for this just to drop somewhere in the mid 20s. Really, again, safe and easy. See, it's gone to low to no volume. There's not much going on with this. Like, it has not traded at all today. So that's, you know, and we're already at almost 11 o'clock in the morning. So yesterday, you know, the trades that did happen, 1 minute chart, let's see, right at 3:15, 2 o'clock, really, and you had this trade from way over here, you know, a high spike that happened, you know, in the morning before at about this same time. So we haven't had anything right now, so I'm thinking this will probably just drop out. Yep, got somebody on my chat. Okay, little. That's probably what happened to my computer there. Let's see. Let's get back to daily, and we'll go over just what I'm watching, and these are just literally what I'm watching. I keep these these two lists over here. You can see this positions and just what I'm watching. This other list are spreads, which I haven't done for a while, which is I short on the ask, cover on the bid. Very simple. And then this last list down here is every ticker I've ever traded. I just keep a running list of them. I watch them for spikes. NHLE is getting pumped today. You can see this nice little red candle right over here as it, but now it's, my little rainbow's running there. Something's running on my computer. You can see how it spiked up, came up to about somewhere over the 50s, and then it's just crashed down, dumped out. So I was watching it, but I was waiting for it to get up here somewhere in the mid 50s because I wanted to try to, you know, get up in the mid 50s, and I would literally try to get out in the low 50s. So, you know, that would have been the safest and easiest. Right now, not sure what it's going to do. There might be a push. There's a few pumpers on it. So the few that I can see, there's probably a lot more. So it might have some support. They might try to spike it up in the afternoon with, you know, a second push of emails. So it might still get up there. If it does get up, but it would have to get back to green on the day for me to actually do anything about it. Should have turned my chat room off there. Sorry. SOPW, which is interesting in that you can see how it has just been going and going and going. Former pump. I have a friend that has shares from 32 cents. Sold half up here above 2. He still has half. So, I mean, he's riding for free right now. But this is on a lot of shorters watch lists right now as the next big dump. This should have dumped a long time ago. A long time ago. So, but you know, it's at its peak. For me, I'm waiting for this to have a green day. I only short when it's a green day, which means, yes, when I get into a position, usually it goes against me and goes against me for that day or the next day. But then as soon as it drops, I'm usually out of it pretty quick and safe. Again, safe and easy. That's what I'm usually trying to go for most of the time. Let's see here. What else are we looking at? Fraught. Thinkorswim. Wonderful. Have to see what else I've got. I'll try to remember what else is on there. Fraught. This has been... There's a landing page out there for this. This has been a hard mailer. So you can see how it's just kind of slowly gone up. Again, just like iFan. Slowly gone up, slowly gone up, slowly gone up. But like iFan, like SOPW, it is on a lot of kind of big time, bigger, better traders than I, shorters watch lists. So they're watching for it to crack. Right now, there are no shares available. I would take shares right now and just hold them. A smaller position. Take a smaller position and then just gladly hold it and wait for it to drop, 20, 30, 40, 50 cents. From right now, if I were to get shares right now, I would just hold it to just above $1. That would be the safest thing. And then it would probably bounce off $1, go green, try to short it again, and then hold it for it to crack below $1 because it's going to come back down. Safe would be to play it that way, to play it above $1 to the dollar mark, and then when it gets below that, after another green day, I would short it from there. Sorry, my computer's just deciding to show us some rainbows right now. But those are the what I'm watching. But again, probably not going to be getting into any other positions. There was one other one that I've been watching, but I don't think that's going to work on here. So those are my positions, and that's just what I'm watching. If you have any questions, please go to my website, zentradermachine.com. I am trying to get the videos so that they happen while I'm actually trading, but you can see I'm having a little bit of problem with QuickTime actually working. So I'll get this posted just so I can have another video up there. And if you have any questions, just drop me a line. Let me know. Thank you.